In today's video, I'm going to be sharing this super simple recipe of 1 bowl brownie cookies. You can easily make this with the ingredients you have available at home. I'm going to start by melting around 2 tablespoons of butter and some chopped dark chocolate. I'm using the double boiler method for this. If you are using a microwave, then keep mixing this at intervals of 10 to 20 seconds, otherwise the chocolate can burn. Now remove this off the heat and add in sugar and brown sugar and give this a good mix. For this recipe, I'm using chocolate with 50% cocoa solids. If you're using chocolate with more or less percentage of cocoa, you can adjust the sugar accordingly. Now add in 1 egg and whisk well until combined. If you will double this recipe, you will require 2 eggs, so make sure that you are adding the eggs separately and not at once. Now add in vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. The salt is used to enhance the flavor of the chocolate. Now directly sift in your flour, cocoa powder, baking powder and baking soda. Now gently fold this and ensure that there are no lumps. Also, I have listed all the ingredients and their measurements in the description box down below. This should be your consistency. Now to this, I'm adding some chopped dark chocolate, but you can add in anything that you prefer, like nuts, M&Ms, Oreos, whatever you like. Now scoop this into a lined baking tray. You can even use an ice cream scooper to do this. I am using some spoons. Now bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for around 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick or skewer comes out clean. I hope you liked this recipe. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe. Also give your comments and suggestions in the comment box down below. Thank you so much for watching.